It's your boy Dreddy again, back with you with another video. What's going on, my people? Carpet cleaning train with Dreddy. Eh? Yo, look what we're doing today. We're doing some dry events. This is a basic dry event cleaning. Sometimes, guess what? Your dryers don't work for whatever reason. You just move into a rental house and you hook up your dryer. You know you got a good dryer. You just spend good money for it, but your clothes just won't dry. What's the problem? Sometimes these are very clogged. Now this is one of the easiest simple systems I'm using by just using a brush, and then I'm using my truck mount vacuum, all right, from the ProChem Blazer to suck out any loose debris inside the dryer vent. All right, this particular job, I was not authorized to go on the roof, so all we did is just hit it from inside. I took the screen off. All right, when I say the screen, I took the hose off, the dryer vent hose, and we're gonna clean that outside. That, I believe, was very filthy. So these are the things you gotta check. All right, also the filter in front of your dryer, that's a good place to check as well. So as long as you keep those up, you should be good. But it's been instances where, guess what? We as a company, we as carpet cleaners, we have to go into buildings, on top of buildings, and do dry event cleaning. Like whole buildings, man. Floor to floor to floor to floor. It's a little annoying, especially when you got these stackables. But it's something that you gotta do.
Ay, ay, ay.